I'm going to show you how you can fix this experience is not available in Roblox. First off, starting from Roblox Studio here, you want to go ahead and go to File, and on File, you want to make sure you can tap on Publish to Roblox like this. Now, once you have published it to Roblox, you can see right now on the top bottom left here, publishing new changes, and you can see now it's done. Now, once that's done, you have to go again to File, and then on File, you have to go to Game Settings. Now, on Game Settings, you have to go to Permissions. Now on permissions, you can see right now it says it is private. Now this is what the actual problem is. We need to actually set it to public or to friends to actually make it available to everyone. The reason why this experience is not available in Roblox is because the game is private or it's set to only friends. So obviously, to actually fix this problem, you need to make it public like this and then tap on save. And then that's it. That should fix the experience is not available on Roblox issue. And then you might need to refresh it a couple of bit to actually refresh the permission change. But after that, that's it. You're done.